The adage "in unity is strength" rings true for many organizations, but the maxim is particularly fitting for those in the science and technology sector. Kimberly D'Souza tells us more.
This feature is powered by the National Gas Company of Trinidad and Tobago, at the forefront of energy.
Scientific knowledge allows us to make new observations about the world, effect change, and offer valuable solutions. Throughout the years, the National Institute of Higher Education, Research, Science and Technology, NIHERST, has been doing just that. In fact, the organization is committed itself to building its human resource capacity in pursuit of sustainable development. Assistant Registrar of NIHERST, Giselle Dinsey, said the organization hopes to promote a nation and region that would apply scientific, technological and innovative solutions to propel socio-economic and environmental transformation.
NIHERST is purposed to improve citizens' understanding of and engagement in science, to develop their innovative capacity, to encourage students in their pursuit of science studies and careers.
The organization established the first and only science center in the English-speaking Caribbean. In the years that followed, NIHERST popularized the use of robotic technology. The organization also played a role in the development of the College of Science, Technology and Applied Arts of Trinidad and Tobago, COSTAT, and introduced the first local diplomas in medical lab technology, environmental health, and computer studies. It's one of the reasons the organization is currently under the purview of the Ministry of Education, which shares a similar mandate of developing human capacity. Over the years, the organization has nurtured a scientific and technological environment and cultivated a passion for 21st century learning.
What do we mean by that? That is using skills that are required in our current global environment: problem solving, creativity, critical thinking, risk-taking, communication, teamwork.
Additionally, the institution has promoted the enhancement of innovative, creative, and entrepreneurial capabilities of the general population. One of the ways it's able to achieve this is through its partnerships. In fact, one of these partnerships is with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA.
We would have engaged in an agreement between NASA, and so far we would have allowed Trinidad and Tobago students to be among the first in the world to attend NASA.
Throughout its 30-plus year lifespan, the organization has remained a pioneer. Through a partnership with the International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology, ICEGB, qualified people can access grants, internships, and fellowships.
Trinidad and Tobago nationals were trained, and these nationals would have been from the Caribbean Public Health Agency and UWI, the University of the West Indies, and they are now directly and heavily involved in the COVID-19 diagnostics as well as genomic surveillance.
With its partnerships and laser focus on the promotion of the sector, NIHERST remains at the forefront of science and technology locally. I am Kimberly D'Souza for TTT News, and this has been 60 Years of Resilience.
This feature was powered by the National Gas Company of Trinidad and Tobago, at the forefront of energy.